What's the meaning of constricted? Constricted. Constricted.
Constricted. Constricted. The term constricted refers to something that is narrow or tight. When something is constricted, it is limited in size or scope and lacks the ability to expand or grow beyond its current boundaries. This can refer to physical objects or abstract concepts like ideas or emotions. The result of constriction is a sense of restriction or confinement that can be uncomfortable or frustrating. People or things that are constricted may feel trapped or unable to move freely, which can lead to feelings of anxiety or claustrophobia.